Solar-powered sticky patio traps are a practical do-it-yourself option to reduce nuisance night-flying insects on patios. Use a trap that emits the correct ultraviolet wavelength, because most night-flying insects are drawn to near ultraviolet and blue light. Choose light-emitting diodes rated for near ultraviolet output and mount them at a height matching typical insect flight paths, usually between 2 and 4 feet off the ground. Position traps at the perimeter of your outdoor living area so insects are attracted away from seating rather than toward people. Place them facing away from seating and pathways and at least 10 feet from where people gather. Maintain sticky panels by inspecting weekly during active season, gently removing debris with a stick or gloved hand and replacing panels when they reach about 50% coverage so capture efficiency does not drop. Replace attractant lures seasonally because pheromone and floral mimic lures degrade with moisture and sun, and store spare lures in a cool, dark place to preserve potency. Combine traps with localized repellents around seating, such as citronella candles or spatial repellents, to create a multi-layer barrier that reduces landings without relying solely on capture. For power, install a small, rechargeable battery or use integrated solar panels sized for local daylight patterns, and ensure panels are angled toward peak sun and kept free of dust for consistent nighttime operation. Common mistakes include placing traps too close to seating areas, which draws insects into the zone where people sit, so move traps to the far edge of the patio and orient lights away from guests. Another issue is neglecting sticky panel maintenance, which allows buildup and mold to reduce stickiness. So set a weekly check and replace panels when half covered or every few weeks in heavy use. A third problem is relying only on traps without addressing attractants, like standing water and outdoor lighting, so eliminate sources of standing water, switch porch lights to warm amber bulbs, and use traps as one element of a broader site management approach. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like Patio pest management, helping our community find local contractors and share practical project experiences. We host a discussion community where we and other members trade tips on trap placement, maintenance schedules, and product choices.